you guys doing? Okay, so if anybody saw us go live 5 seconds ago, sorry. Technical difficulties. My phone is over here on the charger, and it had all the instructions, and you know how like when you plug in your phone, it does the automatic updates? Well, it was automatically updating, and so I couldn't get the directions for what we're trying to do. I was like, this isn't gonna work. So anyway, how are you guys doing? It's Sunday. So, anyone that knows me knows, not even close to a crafty mom. I'm kind of a sucky mom. Like, I'll feed you, make sure you drink water and stuff, but we don't do a lot of arts and crafts, okay? Like, I'll hug you, I love you, but we don't make stuff. So, anyway, I decided today I'm gonna be a good mom. Hi, Stasha, how are you? And we're gonna make glow-in-the-dark slime with 3 things, but I'm not touching it because nails. So I have my friends. That's what I keep him around for. Okay, I'm just kidding. I love my muffin. All right, guys. So it's super simple. All you do, because I read the directions once again. So I got glow-in-the-dark Elmer's glue, right? So it totally glows in the dark. I don't know if it's really going to turn out, if this is going to be okay, but we'll find out. So you literally need glow-in-the-dark glue, baking soda, and contact solution. So I'm going to pour. Oh, this is going to be so messy. So all you take is 5. I don't know if this is going to be good. Oh, I'm missing things. Hi, Candy. How are you? I'm good. I'm trying to pretend like I'm like one of those moms that like does stuff over the summer. And yeah, we just had kind of a busy day. We were running around quite a bit. And that's when I kind of got this idea. I was like, wait a minute. What was Alexa saying we should do? You guys, this is ridiculous. This is going to take me like 6 years. Who knows how to get glue out of these? Like, is this real life right now? Get it out. Oh. That's why I keep my baby around. Hi, Joy. How are you? My nephew loves doing this. I've never done it before. This is not what I thought it would be. It should come in like a, you know, one of those like little tin things or a bucket thing. Is that enough?
I don't know.
It says 5 ounces.
And this is 5 fluid ounces. It has to all be over it.
All right. Here, watch. You know what I'll do? See, there's still a lot in there. I'm going to leave it upside down. Oh my God, my phone is like dinging like crazy. Okay, so we're just going to do this and let it kind of, I don't know. Something. Ew. Okay, you guys, did you ever put glue on your hands and like then peel it off? Tell me you did that. I want to do that right now. Have you done it?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
And did you act like it was your skin? Yeah, you did.
I threw it on someone.
I was like, tell the truth. All right, so next it's a half. I know, but I'm going to do the rest of the stuff, honey, because that stuff's like fighting me.
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay, then it's a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Why can't I open this?
Here, I'll do it. So half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then a tablespoon of contact solution.
Okay.
Now, anybody that knows me knows I hate paying for contact solution, so I really love this kid because I'm doing this right now. I think it's the worst thing to have to pay for in the whole world. Oh, you got it good there, bud. You know what? I have these little lipstick things.
Yeah, I was going to say, do you have some?
My lipstick testers. Anyone want to get their nails done? Or not their nails, their makeup done? Oh, that's not going to work. Okay, that was stupid. But I want to put it on my hand and like peel it like it's dead skin. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Not life.
27-year-old adult.
I'm a 27-year-old adult. He uses white and food coloring, so I'm curious to see this. I know. I actually was going to do the food coloring one, but then when I heard glow in the dark, I was all in because this girl at Six Flags yesterday, you guys, her nails were glow in the dark. It looks so cool, especially on the Batman ride. Okay, enough now, honey. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
It's enough. All right, I'm gonna stir it. Okay, so it looks like yucky. Okay. And then it says you're supposed to get in there and get your like hands in it. Oh, you want to just like start kneading it?
Kneading?
Yeah, like with your hands.
Yeah. Yes.
Like look at what.
Oh,
it's kind of working. Here, do it with your hands though. Do it with your hands. Here's a little more on there. Here, get it. Get it.
Come on.
Ew. So gross, so gross. You know what? I have food coloring. If it looks, you gotta knead it, baby.
That's what I'm doing. I'm not using one.
Okay, let me see it. Let me do it then. Look, you guys.
It's so sticky, Mom.
It is. So they said if it's sticky to add,
Water.
no, the context. Oh yeah, this is. Oh man, you were supposed to do this so I didn't get it on my nails. All right, use your other hand and squeeze contact. Oh, you guys, this is, squeeze.
How much?
Just squeeze. Okay, stop. Oh no, this isn't looking good. Why are you so happy?
Guys, it's funny.
You're kind of mean. He's kind of mean. Why is he laughing at me?
Funny.
No. Oh, look, it's getting better. It's getting better.
I'll put more in
Yeah, put more. Oh my God. I'm wasting contact lens solution that costs $9,000 and you never get a good coupon for that either. That looks awesome. Needs more. Yeah, look, it's working. It's working.
there. Okay, well, yeah, maybe a little bit more.
Hold on, let me get, there's some in here. You guys, it's working. Hold on. Don't do too much now. What makes the contact solution do that? Like, why does the contact solution make it... Oh, wait, now I think we did too much. How do we make it runny again?
Why do you want to make
Look
it?
it.
That's good. That's perfect.
It worked! Oh, no, this is mine now. I did all the work. Oh, my God. And look, it's not really on my hands either. How cool. Hold on, there's some extra. Here on my finger. Oh, it's on my nails. Oh, man. Do we have a towel? No. Just kidding. Now what are you gonna do with it? Okay, so we're supposed to put it in like a airtight container. Oh look, the glue on the back of my hand's drying. I'm gonna peel that off like I have dead skin. Hi Amanda! We're gonna put it in like a little like airtight little container or maybe a Ziploc?
No, it'll stick to the Ziploc, Mom.
Oh, well, it's not, let me see.
No, Mom, it'll stick to the Ziploc.
Whatever. Whatever.
I know it will.
Whatever.
I'll try it.
Hi, Amanda. Aiden is funny. Hi, Jamie. How are you? I love he's doing it with you. I know. It's because I told him I would take his Xbox away. I told him he had to get off his Xbox and hang out with his mom. No, I'm totally kidding.
Not yet.
He actually kept me up all night. You guys, I slept for not even 3 hours last night because it's summertime and this freaking kid is up all night. Go left, shoot him now. And he's like slamming things and I'm like, I swear to God, if you don't start sleeping, give it to me. I want to see it.
You know?
Fine, I'm not doing it anymore. Love Aiden's cardinal shirt. Oh, yay. I forgot he was wearing that. I forgot. Hold on, stop it. Stop it. Okay, you guys, it totally worked. 3 ingredients. You gotta do this. Turn off lights. Oh, I'm gonna turn off the lights. You're so right. Hi, Teresa. I didn't even see you. Okay, hold on. Lights, camera. Turn it off. No, over here, the wall. It totally glows. Look at that.
Okay, let me turn your lamp off.
Oh, my salt lamp is on. Hold on, let him turn it off. Oh my God, shut up. Aiden, check it out. Whoa. Okay.
I can't see.
It's kind of creepy. All right, I'm turning the light on.
No.
Well, hurry up. I'm creeped out right now. You ever watch scary movies?
Oh, what's your money?
Jerk. So it totally works, you guys. So
Can we add food color?
we bought, well, that's glow in the dark. We'd have to buy normal. Oh, you know what? I have normal glue in there. In our,
Want to make normal glue?
yeah, hurry. It's in our, you know, the place where I keep all the school supplies that Daddy
Are you sure?
brings home. Oh, that was super cool. I know. I gotta try this. So it's super easy. It's literally, so it was 5 ounces of Elmer's glue. It was a teaspoon of contact solution, like saline. And then it was a tablespoon of that, but I ended up putting an extra because it was like super sticky. No, I know we have some, babe. In that, you gotta just look in that cupboard because he brought a ton of that stuff. Okay, then come talk to your friends while I come look. And then it's a half a teaspoon of baking soda. How cool is that? Are you coming? All right, let me check. You better talk to them. Tell them how amazing I am. You didn't even look.
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
I looked. I thoroughly searched.
You swear?
No.
Oh, look what I did find.
Oh God. What'd you find?
Oh my God. Not that. Lots of Play-Doh, but look at this.
We found food coloring.
Oh, I found glitter.
Oh, glitter.
Let's throw some glitter in it.
No.
No? It's too much?
No, that'll get all over our hands. Glitter's hard to get off. I mean, you can do it, yeah. But there's already some glitter in it.
Okay, fine. He ruined it. Anyways, I'll leave the recipe down below if anybody wants to do this. Literally, it only takes 3 ingredients, and it's fun. So, yeah, there's that. The one on the back of my hand still isn't dry, so... So this was a 5-ounce glue bottle, but I think 4 ounce
We
works
used about
too.
4 ounces.
Yeah, because only 4 ounce. I mean, there's still some in there. So yeah, 4 ounces of glue, a tablespoon of contact solution, but I probably use like a tablespoon and a half, and then a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Put the glitter in it.
No, I don't want to put it in there. See, I need to put glitter. What?
I just said for you. You're like, nah, I don't.
You're so mean. Which one do you want? The green one or the yellow?
Yellow.
You don't want to do a funky color like blue? Oh, the blue would be cool. Here, put it in the bucket. Or yeah. Okay, do it. You want me to do it?
I got it.
Are you sure? Oh, don't spill it now. Here, if it's that scary, I'll do it. I play with glitter all the time. Dude, that looks cool. Let me see. Let me show. Oh my God, you're so dramatic about the glitter. Look at how cool it looks. Now it's got like little things of glitter. Do you see it? Like little stripes, whatever the heck you want to call it. Okay, cool. I was trying to type it so I wouldn't forget. I'll definitely post it. In fact, Jamie, I printed up a thing of like 3 or 5 different ways you can make different glues. You can make jumbo or slime, like jumbo slime, a different slime. Like it was a whole thing from Elmer's that I had it on my phone. And that's why I had went live earlier and literally my phone was updating so I couldn't pull it up and I was like, So I was like, we're off the live. So anyway, I'll post the whole, it's like a whole thing and you're gonna freak out. It's super cool. He doesn't like stuff on his hands. I know, he's such a freaking baby. Oh my God, if he gets water on his shirt, oh Lord. All right, let's turn this off. You ready? Let's see what it looks like with, oh God. Oops. What did I just do? I just almost knocked this over. Okay, let me see. Let me see it. Can you see any difference with the glitter? Oh. Look, you can kind of see the shimmer. Yeah, you can. Look, babe. Do you see it? Oh, this is cool. Okay. I thought I saw you live, but then I couldn't find you. I know, I did one of those, hey guys, finish. I totally jumped off. I was like, and we're done. All right, y'all. That was fun. We got to think of a new one. So anyways, we're going to go so Ayden can hit his slime. I almost said something really bad. I was just going to say the thing about his shirt. Remember we had to throw it in my dryer? Yes! He's a psycho. If anything gets on him, it's like game over. He loses. He's like, it's wet. Like, he would be at school and he would text me at school if he got even water on his shirt, and he would be like, I need a new shirt. I'm just like, we live in Arizona. It'll dry.
I don't care.
He's weird. So anyway, you guys, all right, have the best night. I'm going to go wash up. Are you excited? Thank you for doing this with your mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you got lipstick on your face. All right, you guys, we will see you guys soon. So nice seeing you. Oh, thank you for hopping on, Candy. It's good to see you, too. Oh, I miss you, too, Amanda. I'll see you soon. Say, we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon. All right, you guys. Mwah, you guys have the best night. We will see you soon. I have a bad feeling like I gotta figure this out. I'll see you guys later.